Join me as I dive deep into the world of SEO and put it to the test. Can it really boost my search rankings? Let's find out. When it comes to digital marketing, there's probably no buzzword more popular than SEO. Search engine optimization is often seen as the holy grail of online success, the secret sauce that guarantees higher search rankings and more visibility for your website. But does it really live up to the hype? One of the biggest misconceptions about SEO is that it's a magic bullet that instantly propels your website to the top of search engine results. Just sprinkle some keywords, optimize your meta tags, and voila! You'll be ranking #1 in no time. Unfortunately, it's not that simple. There's no quick fix or shortcut to achieving higher search rankings. SEO is just one part of a larger strategy that requires effort, patience, and persistence. Another myth is that SEO is all about tricking search engines into ranking your website higher. This couldn't be further from the truth. Google and other search engines are constantly evolving, and their algorithms are designed to weed out spammy or manipulative tactics. Real SEO is about creating high-quality, relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Some people also believe that SEO is only about technical optimization, like optimizing images and compressing code. While these are important aspects, they're just a small part of the equation. Real SEO involves understanding your target audience, creating compelling content, and building high-quality backlinks. Furthermore, many businesses mistakenly think that SEO is a one-time task, something you can set and forget. But the truth is, SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and optimization. Search engines are constantly changing, and your website needs to adapt to these changes to stay relevant. Search rankings are influenced by a multitude of factors beyond just SEO. User experience, for example, plays a huge role in how search engines rank your website. If your website is slow, cluttered, or difficult to navigate, it will negatively impact your search rankings. Content quality is another critical factor. If your content is thin, irrelevant, or low quality, it won't attract high-quality backlinks or engage your target audience. Algorithm changes are another significant factor that affects search rankings. Google, for instance, rolls out multiple algorithm updates every year, each designed to improve the quality of search results. These updates can significantly impact your website's ranking, regardless of how well you've optimized it for SEO. Moreover, search engines are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using AI and machine learning to better understand user intent and behavior. This means that search rankings are no longer just about keywords and meta tags but about providing a holistic user experience that meets the needs of your target audience. While SEO is important, it's just one piece of the puzzle in achieving better search rankings. You can optimize your website to the teeth, but if your content is weak or your user experience is subpar, you'll struggle to attract high-quality traffic. In reality, SEO should be part of a broader digital strategy that includes content marketing, social media, email marketing, and more. By focusing on these other areas, you'll not only attract more high-quality traffic but also build a loyal community of fans and customers. The key takeaway here is that SEO is important, but it's not the only game in town. By understanding the various factors that influence search rankings and using SEO as part of a broader digital strategy, you'll be well on your way to achieving higher search rankings and more online success. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you've had any experiences with SEO, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and advice on digital marketing, be sure to check out our other videos for more insights and strategies to help you grow your online presence.